You're gonna make me catch you? You okay? Do you need paramedics to come check you out?
The original call was about a woman with a water gun, but by the time it ended, she was facing 3 felonies.
You're hurting me.
Okay, well,
Get the f off me
sit up
now.
Stop.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm protecting
Well, now-
myself.
Let's watch this video from Sergeant Pepper Spray.
Hey, Melissa. Hey, how's it going? You wanna come talk to me?
Melissa is doing just fine, apparently.
You okay? Do you need paramedics to come check you out?
Very conveniently, she has a cut right on her middle finger so she can show the world exactly where she's injured. That's a mean-looking squirt gun. She's in front of a bar, so she's like Lara Craft beer. Oh. Oh, that's not normal.
You're okay?
It's kind of scary and alarming. I mean, I don't know if she's having a mental health episode or if she's on some kind of drugs, or she keeps putting the squirt gun in her mouth. And it's just like, it's unnerving when you think about if that were a real gun.
I've never met you before. I'm Officer Kiker. Careful, I don't want you to fall. You're gonna make me catch you? Is that, I can. Yeah, that's a nasty cut. What happened? If I help you, you want to come off there?
God.
I think we're just gonna go 95.
He doesn't even want to watch that. It's just kind of like, ugh. And those people at the Red Box, like, what DVDs are they renting? I just don't see how that's sanitary.
Now, watch your seat right here.
Oh, man overboard.
Just drop the.
Here, I don't want you to fall, okay? For your safety. There you go. Come on.
Hey, we're just gonna put you in some handcuffs here to detain you, okay? Just take it there.
I got it. Just relax.
Relax,
Oh,
Melissa.
hey,
You're good.
listen,
I don't know if you caught it, but the gloves have come out.
just relax, okay? We don't want that falling out, okay? So we're trying to do this as nicely as possible.
Just relax, Melissa.
It's all good. Yep, just sit her up. It's gonna be okay, all right?
How's your day going?
Melissa breaks her silence with, "How's your day going?"
How's your day?
It'd be better if you weren't hurting me.
I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
That's what I want.
Then why are
if you just comply with these guys. Where they
Huh?
You okay? Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna just pull this
See, we'll go for which one.
strap to adjust this, okay? So I don't want your parts being exposed. All right, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna need you to try to help us stand you up, okay? So it doesn't put so much pressure on your wrist, all right?
Can you stand up, Melissa?
That weight, I got her.
This is the example of the caring, compassionate cop that I've worked with and I've known about for my entire police career. Like, in the past few years, they've gotten a pretty bad rap. Sometimes they've earned it, but these guys are doing nothing but trying to be patient and trying to get her some help or figure out what the issue is anyway. And their patience is to be commended.
Let's get that off.
Hey, so what's going on today? Help me understand. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Help us understand what's going on today.
Oh.
I think she was throwing a lot of inventories. Can you grab that, folks?
Oh, she did the old reach for the gun, for the squirt gun.
I can get you some water if you're thirsty. You gonna stand up? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
We're gonna go wrap.
No, I don't have to go wrap. We can just get her in the car.
Okay.
She's not like she stuff. She's just pumped up. Right? Hey, Melissa, we're trying to do this for you the best way possible. All right. Listen to me. You're not giving us much of an option, though. You're not giving us much to work with. And I know you can stand because when we got here, you were standing on the table.
It's true.
Yep.
She's taking a ride. She likes it.
You want to have a seat, Melissa?
It's kind of hard to manage, and it's kind of hard when there's a crowd of 30 people watching your every move to make sure that she doesn't get hurt. And now she's just showing this passive resistance. I don't think she's under arrest. I think they're definitely detaining her to try to figure out where they can get her some mental health help, because obviously she's not in her right state of mind.
It's a security tag?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
I think that's why we're gonna have to go on the wrap.
Oh, okay, and she's wearing apparently a stolen dress unless she bought it and the store forgot to take the security tag off.
We need you to at least sit up, okay? Roll to your side. Can you work with us a little bit? I have to hold you up. We need you to sit up. Can you at least do that for us? Hey, maybe it'd be easier if we did get her legs over here that way. There we go. Okay, hey. Relax, okay? You're just gonna hurt yourself. You're already in handcuffs. All right, you just have a seat. You're not going anywhere. All right?
Yeah,
Come on, just throw it back there.
no, just on the ground. Just set her on the ground right here. She wants to stand and just hang out.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, now we're dancing. Now we're breaking it down. Melissa's at the club in her mind right now.
It's not nice.
Where'd you get the dress?
Well, you know, I just love shoplifting.
No shock.
Huh?
You know you still got a security tag on?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Huh?
I feel bad for her in a sense. Like, she's tough to manage right now, but overall, they just want her to get help.
They're literally the sweetest guys around.
That's it.
Oh, really?
Aww. And I guess I just don't know. They have just like
So
such
you-
a sweet embrace. Do you feel this? Do you guys feel
Do
this?
you understand why you're in handcuffs right now?
What am I in?
Do you know why you're in handcuffs right now?
What?
Do you understand why you're in handcuffs?
Understand what?
We're just trying to help you out.
Oh. Me too.
Okay. So what's going on today? It is Melissa, right?
Oh, we're back in the club.
Come on, not the boots. I just shined them. Oh. Hey, Melissa. Hey, you see how calm I'm being right now? Just relax. Okay?
Just do it.
All right, we're back to gymnastics. Oh, she seems to be doing an unwanted handstand.
Hey, we tried, Melissa. We tried to have you stand up and do this more dignified, but
Look, the entire bar is out there watching.
Just relax, Melissa.
hey, we're on your side. I don't want you to throw up.
What? Huh? Oh, so gross. Oh.
See what I mean? Like, the good person in there is now reduced to laying in the bike lane in Boise, in front of a bar, staring at the curb, like in the gutter, wearing a stolen dress, acting like dirty water in a mop bucket.
I need it. Keep up.
Hey,
Keep up a nose. Come on. Come on. Oh,
Alexa, or Melissa,
my.
we're trying to, you keep moving around. We're trying to prevent that from happening. You sit up?
I guess it's over like maybe like a foot.
Which way? Against the curb?
No. I said what I said.
To the right.
All my single ladies can just come and, put this in my mouth. That would be great.
Out of curiosity, as far as charges, are you looking to pursue any charges today?
I would prefer to remain uninvolved, but
That's all I needed to know.
That's
Officially
good.
like to
Trespasser from here. Perfect.
Are you just so
So no charges. She doesn't. The bartender that called doesn't want to get involved. The manager guy there was just kind of like, yeah, we just want to trespass her. We don't want her to come back, which is understandable.
No, we're trying to keep you covered. We're trying to keep you decent. Okay?
right? You think I'm decent?
We're trying to.
I was never decent.
There we go.
I did not want to be decent. That's not very nice.
I'm sorry.
Well, I think that's rude. I thought you were here to protect me.
I'm here to protect you.
I know her. She's been going through a crisis.
Yeah.
She's been talking to Detective Zimmer.
Mm-hmm. She's going to the hospital today. She's not going to jail.
Okay.
She needs to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
For sure.
So,
We have a device that we're going to put her in because she's not obviously wanting to go in the car. So it's just going to be for her safety mainly.
He just wanted to know what was happening, and the officer did a great job in communicating. Look, we're about to use a device, but it's for her safety. It's not for any other reason, which could send him back into the bar to kind of pre-warn everybody about what they're about to see, because, I don't know what device they're going to use. It's probably something that's a little out of the ordinary.
So,
Well, listen, we were trying to stand up with you nice, and then you're trying to climb, do backflips off the car. We don't want you to fall and hit your head, right?
get off of me now.
It sounds like it's going to be a citizen's arrest.
It sounds like you need to get the off of me
So,
because
Can we try this again? If we stand you up, put you in the car?
no, whatever
Okay.
you're doing, you need to stop because you have nothing, no reason to be on me right now.
Okay. Well, we were not standing there a couple minutes ago.
Get off of me.
So she came in,
No, it's not.
said, "I'm so happy to see you." I'm like, "Oh, good to see you too," because last time I saw her, she was unstable. Then she flipped me off and she was bleeding. I was like, "Do you need a Band-Aid?" And then she threw her water in my face. So I asked her to leave. Then she wouldn't leave. Then she was on top of the table jumping. She was shooting people with a water gun.
I told you that was a convenient cut on her middle finger.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
She. They've been trying to arrest me now.
Can't say I didn't know it was coming.
Do you want to sit up?
You're hurting me.
Okay, well, just
Get
sit
the
up.
off me
Sit up then.
now.
You gonna sit up?
I said, get off me now.
See what kind of anxiety that causes some of those people there? And all she's doing is yelling, and she's like in handcuffs. She's not doing anything other than yelling and trying to sit up. So this is good that we're able to have this discussion about what these officers are doing, because I think they're anticipating something very, very bad's about to happen. But we deal with screaming people all the time.
All the way the off me now. Really?
Hey,
Really?
I'm doing this with
Do
the
you like
least.
hurting
No,
women?
this is the least amount of force I can use.
Is that what you feel like
Hey.
your job is
Hold
to
on.
do?
Is it Melissa,
Huh?
right?
Get the off me.
Listen,
Or suffer the consequences.
I'm using the least amount of
Really?
force possible. So look, what,
Oh,
there you go.
no. Don't start kicking, Melissa.
Stop.
Really? Can I?
I'm protecting
Oh, now.
myself.
Stop. Hey, this is exactly what I told you was going to happen.
Good.
Or does
You're
it?
in the wrong.
Just relax.
Uh-huh.
You have your apple hand here, it's back over here.
And make sure she doesn't porpoise her way out of
Looking
that.
back at it, that was a bad decision to take it off in the first place. That way we at least can get her in the recovery position.
It's known as a hobble restraint if you don't already know, or a hobble tie, and it just basically keeps their legs together. We can also hook that to the handcuffs to kind of keep everything in one place, so to speak. Let me know in the comments if these cops are exhibiting the patience they should be, or if her screaming is warranted.
What'd you do to your finger?
Oh, no.
Some room to work over there.
She's got pretty big gashes. Is it bleeding everywhere? Can you lift your head up for me real quick? Can I help you out, okay?
Oh, okay. Okay. I see where this is going. I like it.
So we
I like it.
almost went.
Look, this is not about humiliating her. This is about keeping this woman safe. And look where her finger is. Like, this is her. This is exactly how she feels.
I'm trying to hold her hands away from you guys.
Okay. All right. I think I like this.
Sit her up, and we'll put this on.
I like this in these situations because it keeps the cops safe, it keeps the bar patrons safe, and mainly it keeps Melissa safe. She's not able to kick and flail and do double back dives off of the back of the patrol car.
There we go.
Two, three.
Now they could either take her to the hospital or they could take her bungee jumping off of a bridge.
Go ahead and grab the door.
You guys have like sanitizer wipes?
My boss is coming right now with all the sanitizing stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
You.
Hold on, Sarge. I think I got a hood in the back. Can you grab it real quick? Because that's not what I'm trying to do today. I don't, because I don't have my bag. Hey.
For the right.
Yeah. In your bag?
It's going to impound the super soaker.
Are we having fun yet?
On the whole heads up.
Poor Melissa. If you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button. And for a truly deep dive into true crime cases, from the first emergency call to the final verdict, come join us on my other channel. It's called the Comm Center. The channel is linked in the description below.
Go ahead and grab the door.
You guys have like sanitizer wipes?
My boss is coming right now with all the sanitizing stuff.
Okay.
You.
Hold on, Sarge. I think I got a hood in the back. Can you grab it real quick? Because that's not what I'm trying to do today. I don't, because I don't have my bag. Hey.
For the right.
Yeah. In your bag? Do you have one?
He's going to impound the super soaker.
Well, Sarge, what point do we say we're trying to see
Melissa has handles now.
shelter, but she's
Let's just go. Let's just. Hey,
Okay.
Are we having fun yet?
On the whole heads up.
Poor Melissa.
Okay. What's up?
Shitty job.
Melissa, I'm sorry you feel that way. We tried.
Yeah, you can infer perhaps the best course of action here is to get her into some kind of rehab. Maybe she was going through some kind of drug episode. But this was Sergeant Pepper Spray's video. We appreciate that. She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest, and possession of a controlled substance. All three felonies that were later dropped for reasons that weren't made public. But what stands out to me on this one isn't the charges, it's the patience. The officer spent the whole encounter trying to keep her upright, trying to keep her covered, and trying to keep her from hitting her head. They recognized early that she needed a hospital, not a holding cell, and they handled it appropriately. Not every call is about catching somebody. Some are just about getting a person through the worst day of their life without it getting worse. Speaking of hard heads, click here if you want to see an HOA Karen get an attitude adjustment.